Uzkon H1 Airgun model. Uzkon Arms Limited is a company which has been manufacturing different types of firearms and exporting these to more than 45 countries, is now one of the well-known companies in different continents. Now we would like to introduce you Uzkon H1 Airguns with this model. Fiber optic front sight for the 3 cm barrel length, adjustable rear sight, adjustable velocity between 170 meter per second, 320 meter per second, 4.5 or 5.5 mm caliber, synthetic stock, special camouflage, 110 cm total length.